So, hey everyone, this is Aditya from Intellectual India, and today I am going to talk on how does sugar impacts on our brain. So, firstly, before going ahead, we must know what are the ingredients are present in glucose, means sugar. So, sugar also known as glucose. If someone asks that give me some glucose, you can understand that this is also synonyms of the sugar. Now, sugar is usually a mixture of sucrose, glucose and fructose, and some other types like galactose, lactose and maltose are less common. So, if you go to market and bring something, so please check the package whether these ingredients are present in high rates, so you should avoid them because they have high sugar. So this is the identification of how you can identify the sugar in your surrounding. And the next I'm going to talk about sugar is addictive or not. The most of the people have questioned that we are eating sugar but we don't know it is addictive or not. So here is the answer for you. When you eat sugar, your tongue sends a signal to your brain and your brain releases a chemical named dopamine, and that dopamine chemical make us feel happy and make us feel rewarded. That is why sugar is addictive, and sugar addiction is more common than we think of. And this concept is very easy, that if you eat something and then your brain releases dopamine, you can understand this is addictive, and this is same with sugar. So now let's move further and talk about how much sugar we eat daily. So you can use sugar as your requirement, what you are require in your body, that much sugar you can take. And it is very easy to understand, and I earlier told you that these some ingredients are present like sucrose, fructose, lactose, so you must check them in the package, so how that you can identify what is sugar in it. So have less sugar because it is addictive. Now move further and talk on how sugar impacts on our memory, on our brain. So throughout the body, excess sugar is harmful. Even a single instance of elevated glucose in the bloodstream can be harmful, leading to some memory difficulties, and you break your so much attention power and low your cognitive function in your brain. So let's talk on what is exactly it means, that how it impacts. Some research suggests that high sugar consumption lead to memory difficulties as well as inflammation in the brain. So what is this inflammation? So when you eat sugar, I already tell you, your brain releases dopamine, and in 2016 a research published by Brain Behavioral Organization, and this research shows that they were found the inflammation marks were present in the rats, the hippocampus of rats who take a high diet of sugar, but not in those take a standard diet. So take a standard diet, and that will help you, and how you can stay from some memory difficulties in your brain. So thanks for listening this.